Hello friends, welcome to back my channel.
A for
apple.
B for
ball.
C for
cat.
D for
The dog.
E for
Elephant.
F for
F for fish.
G for
goat.
H for
Hat.
I for
ice cream.
J for
Juice.
K for
Kangaroo.
L for
Lion.
M for
Monkey.
N for
N for nose. O for orange.
P for
parrot.
Q for
Crocodile.
R for
rabbit.
S for
sun.
T for
train.
U for
umbrella.
V for
violin.
W for
watch.
X for
Xylophone.
Y for
yo-yo.
Z for
the zebra. Thanks for watching.